Hello, today we will guide you through how to enter partner code in XM. In this walkthrough, we'll go over how to find the partner code option during the XM signup process and where to enter your code correctly. If you're registering through a promotion or referral link, this is an important part of setup, so it's worth taking a moment to make sure everything is entered in the right place. To begin, open the XM page for claiming your trading bonus. This is the page where the registration process starts, and it's the starting point for accessing the partner or referral code section. Once the page loads fully, take a quick look around so you can identify the main signup controls before moving on. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Get Started. This will take you into the registration flow. If you're on a mobile device, the layout may look slightly different, but the same option should still be visible near the top area of the page. After selecting it, wait for the next screen to open completely. On the registration page, look for the text that says Have a Partner or Referral Code. This section is sometimes easy to miss because it may appear beneath the main account fields or in a smaller expandable area. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little and read through the options carefully. Once you find that prompt, click on it to reveal the code entry option. You should then see a link or field labeled Enter Here. Select Enter Here to open the space where the partner code can be added. This step is important because the code field may stay hidden until you actively expand it. Now type the partner code into the field provided. Make sure you enter it exactly as given, paying close attention to any capital letters, numbers, or special formatting if applicable. Even a small typo can prevent the code from being recognized, so it's a good idea to double-check it before continuing. After the code is entered, you can proceed with the rest of the registration process as shown on your screen. If the code was accepted, you'll typically remain in the normal sign-up flow without needing to repeat the step. That's all you need to do to enter a partner code in XM. Take your time, review each screen carefully, and make sure the code is entered before finishing registration.